So I've got my Logic Pro set up here, and I work a lot with pre-recorded loops. So I'm gonna hit play. You're gonna hear the sound, and you're gonna see in my DAW, my digital audio workstation, I only have 3 loops going. With the help of everyone in this room, we've made this sound quite okay. I like it a lot, but it will get a bit monotonous over time. So the trick I'm going to be showing you is called Remix FX, namely the gator function. So I'm going to click on the track. Over here, I'm going to click Remix FX. The dialog window is going to pop up, and I am going to press on this button here, and that's going to make the sound come in and out. It's a form of automation. It's going to keep the sound fresh throughout the song. So I'm going to hit play. It's going to play all the way through with the original sound, and then when your ears start to get a little tired of it, I'm going to apply the gator, as you'll see. I'll be clicking right here. So hitting play. Let it go, let it go. And now I want to change a bit, so I'll change it by clicking right. And you can bring it back in. Let them know what they were missing. And there's a couple different ways, a couple different rates you can gate it. Just taking the same good sound that you found and letting it go over and over and finding a way to be able to use it. You can use this on drum patterns as well. You know what, while we're here, why don't we do that really quickly? This is all in one drum loop that I don't typically like to do. Even as a loop assembler, I will pick the different elements of the drums, but let's boot up the Remix FX here. It's a little bit tougher when everything's playing at once, but I'm gonna hit play, and there's a repeater here. And if I click on the repeater, I can make a certain part of the drum loop go over and over again. And let it come in and out. You can make the kicks come at rapid speed, which might be tough on the ears. Hold on. Bring the hi-hats in a lot and then let it go a little bit earlier than you think. And then it comes back in, okay? Folks, this is how you can stretch your loops, all right? Yes, you can become a master guitarist, or you can click and drag some things. There are so few boundaries to get into music these days. Make the song, feel your feelings. Hopefully this tip was helpful to you. Thanks so much.